everybody. Welcome back to the Skookum Report. You know, I have people ask me all the time, what's a Bigfoot sound like? And I'll just tell them to Google Bigfoot sounds or something like that. But by the time they get back to what they were doing or just get a minute to themselves, they either forget or just don't feel like searching the internet to find out what a Bigfoot sounds like. So I found my favorite clips of the Sierra sounds that Ron Morehead and Al Berry recorded way up in the Sierras from inside a shelter they had constructed. Actually, they had a tree as a door. They had a microphone they put out somewhere where it would easily pick up sounds. And in certain spots, you can hear Mr. Morehead and the Sasquatch mimicking each other's sounds, rather. And now there's a whole lot more examples on the internet, but this just happens to be some of my favorite. And even if you've heard it before, I just thought y'all might enjoy it. So here you go. Here it is.
Rain for Nightville.
He's trying to talk to us. Like laughing.
That's our job. Well, we know where we look for tracks and all that for sure. There's two of them across the creek at the big rocks. It's a hard act to follow.
He sounds like he talks to us and they talk to each other.
Yeah. the swamp! Right there, just seen movement right through there.
Now that's just some of the Sierra sounds recorded by Ron Morehead and Al Berry way up in the Sierras in a shelter. They would come around, he said, and he would leave the microphone, and they'd pick up all them sounds. It's just super interesting. But I want to thank y'all for checking this video out, and don't forget to subscribe. And you really help me out if you hit that like button. That's good for the channel. And leave a comment and say hi. And I'll see you guys soon. Let me see, is there anything else I want to tell y'all? Oh, part 3 of Kevin Kaler will probably be coming by the time I post this. I would say late tonight. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. And I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening to the Skookum Report. All right, take care. Bye.